Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds in Photoshop. So I'm going to be showing you two methods today. And the first one I'm going to be showing you is a method that's very classic. This is the method that's been used since the beginning of Photoshop. So it's called the magic wand tool. If you don't see it, it might look like this when you first log into Photoshop. You just have to go to this section here and then right click and then go to magic wand tool. So it's like this, right? Now, once you select the magic wand tool, you'll see that your cursor will become a magic wand like this. You just have to press on the background and you'll see a selection has been made like this, right? And you just have to go on the bottom here and click on layer mask. But you see, oh no, right now, the thing that's been cut out is the person and not the background. No problem. We just have to go to image and then adjustments and then invert. And you can see now the person is the one that stayed and the background is the one that was gone, right? If you want to do good practices, you just have to click on the layer 0 here and then click on convert to smart object. Now this will turn the image into what it actually is and not the previous image with the background, but like a layer mask, layer on top. You can think of the layer mask as a no view zone, right? So this gets rid of the new view zone and then just turns it to what the image actually is. Now this method, this magic wand tool method, works really well if the subject and the background is clearly different, right? So for example, this subject right now is wearing a black shirt and the background is white and his color tone is bright as well and his hair is very different from the background as well. So you can see that there is a very clear line between the subject and the background. But what if I have a image like this, right? If I try to use the magic wand tool, you see that it messes up like this, right? And there is a method where you can go in manually by using the magnetic lasso tool here, and you can trace the edges like this, right? And you can do that if you'd like, but it'll take a while. So there is a method that Photoshop provides you. If you go to the magic wand tool and you go to the top part here, you can see select subject on one of the buttons. Just click on select subject and it'll automatically select it for you. See, like that. It's like magic. Once you have it selected like this, again, just go to the layer mask section down here. And there you go. Now you have cut out the background and it leaves just the person like this. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.